guys, welcome back to BARCHAMPED Drink Majesty. I am Naya and today I will be remaking my rainbow sangria. I really like this drink, so I wanted to make it on here so you guys can enjoy how good this drink is. So I just washed my hands. This will be my personal drink, so I'm not too concerned about germs, but I always want to encourage sanitation, especially during this time. Okay, so I am going to start off with the fruit. So I actually froze this fruit because it's been taking me a long time to actually make this drink and I didn't want my fruit to go bad. So I got this from Star Market. It was just a regular fruit cup. This one I specifically got for this. I went to Lambert's, got a nice fruit cup. A little fresher, so yay! Ooh. So, have some frozen starting to thaw fruit. So the point of a rainbow sangria is, of course, the wine, but it's also because it's so pretty. So what I want to do is start layering my cup. So I'm going to take this solid. That was so good. I don't know. Maybe I should have used this one over the other one. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this back. Okay, so right now I'm just making sure that this watermelon is flat so I can have a nice even layer of watermelon. Okay, so this is my first layer. Watermelon! Okay, my next layer will be... Yikes! It's a lot more pineapples in here than I expected, but we will be going for this. I'm like kind of excited to see how it's gonna taste since it's like frozen, but honestly this fruit tastes good. Like that grape I had, that was great. Right now I'm looking for the most perfect cantaloupe from the fruit cup to put into my glass jar. So this is my second layer. So far this is how it looks. As you can see, I'm very happy with how my rainbow sangria is turning out. So yeah, so this is how it looks. I took a step to the camera to see how it looks, and it looks fine. So these are my two layers. These are my two layers. Next, I'm going to dip into this one. Oh, it smells good. Ooh. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of these because actually I have no idea what this is. Maybe it's grapefruit? That could be my semi-third layer. But honestly, I think it's the same thing. It just looks weird. The same fruit. So I'm adding that in. Yeah, it's the same thing. Like, what am I thinking? It's not grapefruit. Now, okay, cantaloupe. We are in for this third layer. Okay, so I believe, well, this is gonna be a cute rainbow. It's gonna be a cute rainbow. Oh, okay. So I'll get that from here. So I made a mistake. I was actually informed that these green fruit are not cantaloupe, they're honeydew melons. So yes, I'm working on my third most layer and it's coming together. So I believe I'm all set with this cup. I might actually double dip to get the rest of the blueberries, but I'm basically done with that. Oh, it's strawberries in here. Oh my god. This is such a cute fruit cup. So from here I'm gonna go get some more cantaloupe. Technically I don't have to do the most. I could just make another cup, but I want my cup to be the best. Something to keep in mind is that you don't want the cup that you're making the rainbow sangria in to be too packed, because it's going to limit the amount of liquid you're able to actually add in. So, you know, just keep that in mind while you're packing and making your cup. So I'm going to add 1 strawberry to this. And then the rest, to top off this, I'm just going to add some grapes. So I hope you guys can see that color progression. This is definitely a summer drink to make. It's light and fruity and sweet. If you're into sweet drinks, you're definitely going to like this, but it's not too sweet that you'll have a headache after, which I definitely do appreciate. I enjoyed remaking this drink for the 2nd time. Okay, so for a rainbow sangria, it uses chilled Moscato. It uses whatever fruit you want, but the idea is to get this a range of colors so it looks like a rainbow, and use some simple syrup. That is the regular rainbow sangria, but in mine I will be adding a little something to it, okay? I'm gonna try and get this green grape in here. And like I said, I wanted to add some blueberries, so that's what I did. So the hard, extensive part is over. Working with frozen fruit to make my drink. So now we shall shift to the fun parts. So I'm gonna put this aside, perfectly on the mats. Now I will be adding my Moscato, my chilled Moscato, Stella Rosa Moscato d'Asti. It's relatively cheap, it's like $10, but oof. But I like the way it tastes, so now I'm going to add this in. Oops, did you guys see that? Okay, a good amount is pouring. Ooh! See them bubbles? Ooh! Okay, so add a little, some more. I'm gonna stop there. Of course, if you want to make this, you could definitely use a pitcher. That's usually what sangrias are made in. You can use a bigger mason jar, another cup. It's up to you. So, wait, which one do I go to first? I'm gonna add some simple syrup. It's already sweet, but what the heck? So just a little bit. So I'm not sure if you can see how much liquor it's up to here. So just to add a little schnapp to this, I will be adding some vodka. So now my drink is basically done. Could drink it right away. Like, let's shake it up a little bit. Let's taste it. So it tastes great, but I would definitely recommend shaking it up before going to drink it right away. So I made this drink before on BARCHAMPED's Instagram Live, and I really did enjoy it, but we made it in a bigger quantity. So yes, I used some chilled Moscato. You can decide what bottle you want, but this is the first one that I experimented with the last time I made this, and I like it, so I used it again. You need some fruit cup. If you're not too particular about what fruit you have, just get a fruit cup like I did. Or you can get 2. Added some simple syrup for the sweetness, because I love sweet stuff. And add a little vodka for a little kickity kick. So I am going to let this sit and I'll be able to enjoy the fruit. So yes, this is my second attempt at a rainbow sangria. Okay, is this something that you would try, a rainbow sangria? Let me know in the comments. I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you can. So yes, thank you. Yes, this is just a regular video.